Hello guys, out here with a new vlog. This weekend actually something really cool takes place. So Alexei and I, together from Kenner, we organize our first pit stop event, which is a format we introduced that should bring people together in the car space and really be something that doesn't exist in Switzerland. So we are trying to build up a really cool community here in Switzerland with petrol heads, with cool people, and this Sunday morning we will have the first pit stop event in the area of Lucerne, and I'm driving now to the place the event will take place tomorrow, because I'll be scouting and checking if everything is alright with the location. So yeah, see you in a minute. So this is the location. You see we have a huge place over here. It's really big, and the plan is to place the Defender, which is our main attraction of the event, where we have food, music and everything. So the Defender will be over there. From the back we will serve some coffee, some iced tea and just some food. We will have a table over here, and there we're gonna serve also the food. And then here in front, also parallel to the Defender, we will have the Airbacher, which is the backdate 911 from the Airbacher. They have a yellow one which they're gonna place over here and showcase everybody. My GT3, I will put it over there. And then we have a nice, let's say, event location created out of nothing, just cars, and I think it's gonna turn out really cool. And yeah, so it's quite bright. But it's not that warm right now because of the trees and the forest. It's really chill. And yeah, so you saw now the plan how the event tomorrow is going to look like. And yeah, so we see each other tomorrow when the event starts. We're now preparing for the event. In a minute the Airbacher car should arrive, and we can place it over here. And yeah, so we are finishing up everything, and see you then. Hey, Loris.
Freut mich.
Hey, ciao.
Will I meet you there? 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 Will I meet you there?
So we are now here at the event. I have now a little bit of a free minute, and I can tell you guys, this is amazing. The DJs, they are firing it up. People are so nice, and this beautiful car also arrived. I mean, have a look at this beauty. It's just stunning. Crazy. So yeah, so it has an open end, so everybody can come and leave how they feel. just having a nice time. Beautiful weather and beautiful location. Thanks for everybody joining for this amazing event, and yeah. Event is over. What an amazing day. Event was a full success. Yeah, really cool people, which I gladly could met for the first time now, and the atmosphere was truly something special. I mean, have a look at it now. It's crazy. It's just an empty field on the mountains in the forest, and we managed to get something that cool. I think this is truly something special. So thanks everybody for joining. I hope to see you next time. Next event is already in planning, and I will keep you posted. See ya.